Hello, I'm Kaya Brown, Director of Community Education and one of the ex officio members of the District 196 Foundation, along with Superintendent Krieger and Director of Operations and Finance, Mark Stotts. Today, I want to share about the Band for All program. It was founded in 2007 to provide instruments to elementary students at Cedar Park. Community members can donate their used instruments, and the district is able to refurbish them and provide them for a student who cannot afford an instrument. The program began with 60 donated instruments and in 12 years has helped over 1,700 students participate in band. Band for All is one of the District 196 Foundation initiatives that they have been supporting for the past 4 years. At the 196 Foundation event last November, Michelle Hoff, band teacher at Rosemount Elementary, shared an email she received from a former Band for All student, and I'd like to share it with you today. It reads, I started band at Cedar Park Elementary School when I was in 5th grade. I actually started halfway through the year because I couldn't afford an instrument. I realized that my friends were having such a blast going to their weekly lessons, so I decided to ask the band teacher if I could still join band. I can't remember his name, but he said yes. Since then, I have played the trumpet. I had such a blast in band and kept practicing at home and in the summers. I worked up to be one of the best trumpet players in my middle school band. David Miller will forever be one of my mentors and beloved people in my life. He pushed me to become the best person I could have been when I was in middle school at Valley Middle in Apple Valley. He gave me opportunities that I didn't ask for, like joining jazz band and being a section leader. David knew my parents weren't doing great financially when I was in middle school, so he would help waive fees for me to join jazz band. I was part of the District 196 Middle School Honor Band and had such a blast. I will forever be thankful to have a teacher like David Miller. When I started high school, I still had my beginning trumpet, and Corey Desens was able to get another trumpet for me to use. This really helped me out in high school because we were rehearsing harder music. It wasn't until I was in high school that I started to love the sound of a good band. I auditioned for the Minnesota All-State Bands when I was a junior in high school and got in. At first, I didn't really know what to think when Mr. Desens told me I got in. I was just really blown away that I was one of the best trumpet players in the state of Minnesota at the time. I knew I had talent, but not at that level. Being a part of the Minnesota All-State group was so fun. I finally was able to hear what a great band sounded like. This really helped me understand what I wanted to do for the rest of my life. I graduated this past May from Concordia College Moorhead with a bachelor's in music education and am now a 512 band director in Crosby, Minnesota. I have developed such a love for music and have the urge to pass the torch to other students who are in band. I was so fortunate to have amazing band directors in the city of Apple Valley. These people have shaped who I am today, and I strive to be as influential as they were to me, to my students. My college band director, Dr. Peter Haberman, has also influenced me to be the best human being I can possibly be. I just had my first band concert last week on Thursday and have finally had time to relax. Typing this message to you made me realize that music education is not about having the best band or having the biggest band. It's about the relationships you build with the students. It's about staying true to yourself and what you value in the classroom and in life. That was written last fall. So with that, everyone deserves a chance to toot their horn. Last year, the 196 Foundation was able to support the Band for All program by donating $5,000 from the donations we received from our District 196 employees through the 196 Gives campaign. We ask that this year you please consider donating in the 196 Gives campaign this year and to the District 196 Foundation. Your donation has a big impact on our 196 students, no matter the size. Take care and be well.